What happens to your brain when you don't sleep? In our world today, we treat sleep like a luxury, something we can trade for an extra hour of work or one more episode of a show. We've been told that hustling on 4 hours of sleep is a badge of honor, but science says we've been lied to. If you aren't sleeping, you aren't actually working. You're just glitching. Today, we're looking at sleep not as time off, but as the most intense biological maintenance shift your body has. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your brain while you sleep, why 8 hours might be a myth for some but a law for others, and the 5-step protocol to wake up feeling like your brain was literally washed clean. This is health plainly said. Let's get into the science. Why do we actually sleep? For decades, doctors thought the brain just turned off. But thanks to a breakthrough at the University of Rochester and the NIH, we now know about the glymphatic system. Think of your brain like a busy office. Neurons are always firing, during the day creating thoughts and actions. This process creates chemical waste, specifically a protein called beta amyloid. If this trash builds up, it blocks your focus. This is the literal cause of brain fog. When you sleep, the glymphatic system opens up. It acts like a night shift cleaning crew cleaning out these waste. Your brain cleans itself during deep sleep, as cells shrink to make room for fluid flow. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to rush in and wash the trash away. If you get 5 hours of sleep instead of 8, you aren't just tired. You are starting your day with yesterday's toxic waste still clogging your neurons. That is why you can't remember that name, or why you keep making simple typos in your emails. Beyond cleaning, sleep handles 4 critical pillars of your life. Number 1, it consolidates your memory. Your brain takes what you learned today and moves it into long-term storage. If you study all night and don't sleep, you actually remember less. Sleep is when your brain hits save. It takes everything you learned today and moves it from your short-term RAM to your long-term hard drive. Without sleep, your learning leaks out. Number 2, it repairs the damage. While you rest, your body releases growth hormones. These are the construction workers that repair your muscles, organs, and cells. Without enough sleep, growth hormone secretion is reduced. This slows down muscle repair, weakens recovery from physical exertion, and contributes to feelings of fatigue and physical weakness. Number 3, it regulates your emotions. Have you ever noticed you're more irritable when tired? That's because the connection between your amygdala, your emotional center, and your prefrontal cortex, your logic center, weakens. Without sleep, you become emotionally reactive. Emotions run unchecked because the brain's logic center loses control over its emotional center. Number 4, it reboots your immune system. During sleep, your body strengthens its defenses by producing cytokines. These are special proteins that help fight infections and inflammation. According to Medline Plus, this nightly process is essential not only for repairing muscles, but also for supporting the immune system. Without sufficient rest, your body makes fewer cytokines, leaving you more vulnerable to illnesses like the flu and other viruses. So what is enough? Is it always 8 hours? The US CDC introduced guidelines, and they are non-negotiable for high performance. Adults, 18 to 60 plus years, you need 7 or more hours. Teens, 13 to 18 years, you need 8 to 10 hours because your brain is still physically under construction. School age, 6 to 12 years, they need 9 to 12 hours. For the vast majority of people, 5 hours of sleep is not enough and leads to cognitive decline, mood issues, term health risks. To get enough sleep, you need a protocol. We call it the 10-3-2-1-0 rule. 10 hours before bed, stop all caffeine. It stays in your system longer than you think. 3 hours before bed, stop eating. Digestion keeps your core temperature too high for deep sleep. 2 hours before bed, stop working. No more brain-heavy tasks. 1 hour before bed, no blue light. Put the phone away. Read a physical book. 0. the number of times you hit the snooze button. I've linked the full scientific references here and also in the description so you can see the data for yourself. If you want to upgrade your health without the fluff, hit the subscribe button. Go to bed early tonight. Your brain will thank you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.